Hello and welcome to our STEAM resource orientation. My name is Miss Kelling, and these are the topics we will go over today. So I'll introduce you to the Google Classroom, we'll go over schedule walkthrough, some basic information, and then my contact info. So my introduction, a bit about me. I graduated from the University of Iowa. After graduating, I worked in technical theater as well as in different classrooms as a paraprofessional. And this is my first year being a lead teacher for a class, and I'm super excited to join you all. Here is what our Google Classroom will look like when you first go to it. So depending on what grade your student is in will depend on what classroom they're in. And my classroom will be linked on the teacher's on your teacher's site as well. Inside the class, this is what you'll come to when clicking on it, which is the stream. Looks like a basic news feed with different assignments and materials. Next is the classwork tab, which is where you'll find most of the assignments for our STEAM classes. Here is what the classwork tab looks like. You'll find that the assignments are based in topics, so Flex Fridays, Flex Wednesdays, Week 1 directions, and tutorials. There will be more tabs or topics as the weeks go on. And then here is the Google Calendar. This is where you'll most likely find our Zoom session links to go to, and those will also be on your teacher's site and will be scheduled for the times that we have our STEAM sessions. And then in this main area here, you will find under each topic the assignment or videos and materials for our class. Looking at the assignments, this is one of our first week assignments, and you'll see that the directions are attached and that you can view the assignment. Typically, I won't have a due date on assignments or points, so you don't have to worry about that. But this, once clicking on it, is where you will be able to submit your work, also add any comments or questions to the assignment. All right, so looking at our schedule, we have A day, B days, and flex days. A days will be reserved for K through 2 with me, and then the middle school 1 group. So any day that you don't have me for STEAM, you'll have for PE. So B days is opposite, so I'll have 3rd through 5th for STEAM and our middle school 2 distance learning group. Flex days look a little bit different. You have a few options for what flex sessions you want to go to, as well as certain times that you can come to those sessions, whether it be for me, music, or PE. And then last, we have our STEAM help session, which is Wednesday and Friday from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Those are optional, and I'll go over that more in the basic information. So some basic info about our STEAM online sessions. They'll typically be an hour long. 15 minutes will be direct teaching from me, so a live session that will start pretty on time with like a 5 or 10 minute buffer. And then after those 15 minutes, I'll give about 40-45 minutes time for your students to work on the projects that we discussed in our live section, as well as get help from me as needed. So the kindergartners will probably stay on with me, whereas the middle schoolers can go at their own pace. During the help sessions, they're also an hour long. It's optional. You can come, but this will be a great time for you to ask questions and make up for any missing previous sessions that you couldn't come to. All right, and if you have any questions, please email me and let me know. This is my email right here, and I'll be happy to answer any of those questions as they arise.